everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are making a homemade hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is a Chinese sauce that's super versatile. It's great for making easy weeknight meals like stir fries, stir-fried chicken, stir-fried rice. It's actually great as a flavor addition to soups and many recipes. I like to make a homemade version instead of running out to the store to buy it. Mine is slightly sweet with just a wonderful umami. And it is just a touch spicy, not too spicy, and it's super easy to customize. So let me show you how to make it. All right, let's make some hoisin sauce. This is a very easy recipe, you guys. I love making it at home. So we start with 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Get a good quality soy sauce. And I've got 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar that popped into a warm pan. And I have 2 tablespoons of fermented soybean paste. This is doenjang, and it's not always easy to find. I find mine at a local Asian market. But a great alternative is peanut butter. I use peanut butter with this all the time, and it comes out outstanding. It's delicious. So get that popped into the pan. It's nice and thick. And I have a tablespoon of minced garlic. Delicious garlic. I love garlic. I should start garlic madness. And I've got a couple tablespoons of honey, or you can use agave, or brown sugar actually works great here. And you can cut back on that sweetness if you want to. You're going to add a nice level of sweet to this recipe, but again, you could maybe use half of that or a little even less. I've got a half teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. And this is another one. There's a lot of flavor with Chinese 5-spice. It's just great. But you can use more or less as you want to, depending on the level of spice that you're looking for. And this is sriracha. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sriracha to mine. Now you can skip the sriracha if you want to. I, of course, like a spicy version of everything. So you can use more or less if you want to, or even just a little squirt, a little pinch, or a touch of hot sauce. Pop that in there. And this is it here. So just go ahead and mix it together. And you don't really need a lot of cooking for this. The aim here is just to get everything mixed together, get it nicely warmed. Just kind of let it melt down. Just keep stirring until it's all incorporated. You don't want to go too high of heat to start to boil. You just want to get everything nicely incorporated. All right, so you can see how this is nicely mixed up. Everything's incorporated. It's all combined and melted down to a sauce. But you can see the consistency here. It's not very thick. But you can use it right now. It's actually perfectly great to use. Nice, sweet, little touch of spicy to it. But if you want a thicker hoisin sauce, so what I like to do is I have 1 teaspoon here of cornstarch, and I have the equal amounts of water, a teaspoon of water. So we're just going to mix this together and make a cornstarch slurry. And cornstarch is great for thickening everything, to thicken up your sauces, and it adds, it doesn't really affect your flavor at all. So you get this mixed together, just like so, and just stir it right in. And keep stirring. It'll change the color a little bit, but when it's mixed in over some heat, it'll thicken up your sauce nicely. And I'm just going to stir for about a minute or 2, and we'll see how it thickens it up. All right, look at that. Look at how it's thickened up. It's thickened up nicely, my friends. Again, super easy to make, and if you want to, you can keep it on the heat. Keep going until it thickens up even more, or you can even add a little bit more cornstarch if you wanted to. But boom, let me just set this down here. And oh yeah, look at that. Look at the consistency of this. Nice, it's thickened up enough. And boom, that's it. That's how you make a homemade hoisin sauce. Very, very easy to make, as I said. It's got that tanginess, that umami flavor. It's delicious. Oh man, this stuff is outstanding. I love to use this in so many different ways. Hoisin sauce is great for making stir fries. You can stir it into noodles. You can use it in all sorts of recipes. Stir it into soups for a big flavor bomb. You can use it as a dip. It's actually really great as a dip. So again, so many different ways to make it. You'll never need to go to the store and buy hoisin sauce again. You can just make it at home yourself. And the good thing is you can make it as spicy as you want to and change it up with other flavors, and you have so many alternatives and options for this. So that's it. Easy enough, right? Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Let me know what you think of this sauce, and let me know what your favorite dishes are to make with hoisin sauce. So, all right, I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.